next.
Alaska! Yeah! Woo! I'm down here with Ariel Tweedote. Ariel?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from a little village in Alaska called Unalakleet. I've never had a boyfriend. I've never been kissed because in the village we're pretty much all related. And I didn't like...
Yeah, no, then that's totally understandable.
Yeah, I didn't feel like dating my cousins. I don't know, it just wasn't right for me. Isn't that sad? I'm 20 and I haven't been kissed. So guys out there, if you're watching, I'm free, single, living the good life.
Caller.
Ariel out on the course and looking to slide into one of those top 12 spots.
Oh, no.
And remember, guys, she's also looking for a date. Anybody want to meet Ariel over donuts? Provided you're not one of her cousins.
Ariel quickly up, out of the mud, and on her way to the sucker punch.
You know, John, Ariel competes in the Alaskan Youth Olympics. Let's see if that athletic training carries her to the other side.
Not at all. Let's get over to the big balls. So, Johnny, you said Ariel was an Alaskan Youth Olympian?
Yes.
It says here her event was the seal hop?
Well, didn't help her much on the sucker punch, did it?
Whoa, I think that was it. I think we have just witnessed a seal hop.
Oh, whoa is right, Jill.
She's focused. Again.
Seal hop, frogger technique, whatever you call it, it's working.
She's looking ahead and another hop.
Unbelievable. She's seal hopping like a pro. Only one step left, and she did it.
The only person ever to successfully cross the big balls, and she's showing no signs of slowing down.
Where's the ball?
And we might have hit a snag.
Where's the ball?
Anyone here seen a pole?
What pole? While Ariel keeps looking for that pole, let's take a break.
When we